Hello, in the name of Almighty God, I'm Mahsa Hassankashi, and today I want to explain how to create arrow plot, which is a powerful method for visualizing field distribution in 1 dimension, 2 dimension, and 3 dimension. For 1 dimension, this arrow plot is for line plot, for 2 dimension, for surface plot, and in 3 dimension is using for volume plot. Actually, arrow plot is very useful for many applications such as fluid flow velocity, magnetic field, chemical species transforms, and temperature gradients. Here we are in heat sink applications. And in the temperature node there is arrow plot, and I delete it to start from scratch. And on the top of the tabs there is temperature heat, and we can use arrow plot in the left section. Because we are in 3 dimensions, we can use arrow volume. And here in the arrow volume, we can click on it to change the settings on the right section. There's a data that we can leave it with from parent, because data set comes from parent. And the expression, we can change the expression and replace expression for whatever of component we used. We can use velocity and plot it, and you can see that how this arrow plot can scatter through pillars. The next step is to changing the arrow position and color and styling. At the left section in the settings, we can change the arrow plot by changing the point. This is the number of points. We can delete 7 and change it to 20. For the Z axis, we can go to the parameters and check that how the height of channel is. As we can see is 1.5 centimeters. And we can assign the coordinates. Here is entry method. It's not number of point, and it's a coordinate, and it's height channel divided by 2. And in x, y dimensions, in 2 dimensions, we can obviously see that how it is here. The next step is to change the color and style. The color we can change in which color we want to use. And the scale factor is for thickness, or how much the thickness can have each arrow. And the arrow style can be cone and arrow. And arrow length can be logarithmic, normalized, or proportional. Proportional based on the temperature. And the arrow base can be head. So here there is I want to describe and explain the goal and the purpose for this arrow plot. The goal is to show how a specific parameter plays its own role in simulation. An arrow plot shows us where is the most participation of physical parameter. For instance, these under investigated parameter can be temperature, electrical or magnetic field, or velocity and pressure. The thickness and accumulated of arrows shows us the crucial section in parameters where the simulation has its hot sun, and scattering of arrows shows us how the magnitude of the specific parameters is low and the simulation conditions have less impact on it.